Welcome back to another video. So in the previous video we learned how to import the HA tunnel configuration file. So in this video we will learn how to connect the HA tunnel unlimited. First, if you don't know how to import the configuration file, check on our previous video. But how to import, you simply come here and go to import, then select your devices. If your device is Samsung, Tecno, Realme, Redmi, any, like according to your device name, you just tap on your device name after clicking import, then you go to Android media and follow the process I gave in the last video. So after importing, you'll have the imported page appearing on your HA tunnel. So before even connecting, you first do this setup. So you come to select port, ensure you selected port 80. So select to port 80, then select server. You select the server which suits your purpose. So for me, I may select United Kingdom because I love it, or you can select at random. Yeah, depending on which server you think it's best for you, you can leave it as random or United Kingdom, USA, anywhere. So after selecting the server in home, so click this arrow drop down menu here, come to custom payload because we must do some setup. So delete everything here. So ensure you delete everything. After deleting, come here. So now you may also delete everything here and here. Just delete everything so that we can set up. So after deleting everything, now go back to imported config. Yeah, ensure you are here. Now you leave it as imported config. Ensure it is always as imported config after doing all those. So the next step after doing this, now go to connect. You first connect. 4G may work, so connect. For me it's working, by the way, it's working. But for some devices or some areas, 4G cannot even work. So you go to settings, then go to wireless and mobile networks, then mobile network, and then in mobile network come to preferred network type, select it to 3G. Ensure it's always 3G so that it can connect, and then return back to your HA tunnel. Now you first connect. If it doesn't work, that's where we come to changing the IP address. For me it's not working, so what I can do, you just turn the airplane mode on and off while trying connecting. So you'll do it. If it's not connecting, just go back, turn on your airplane mode and turn it off, and come back and connect. So for some SIM cards or some phones, it might not connect directly. You have to turn the airplane mode on and off multiple times while trying to connect. But for some SIM cards like mine, you just connect directly without even struggling. But if yours is not working directly, just switch the airplane mode on and off continuously while coming back to connect. Now after doing that, and you come and start and it's working, so you'll see here, come to log, wait. For me it's not working. You see 302 found, not working. Again, come here, turn the airplane mode on. So utafanya hivyo until it connects. Let's wait for the network to load. So kama yako inasumbua, you just unacheza na airplane mode on and off and wait, then connect. Come here, not working again. Unafanya hivyo mpaka you connect. as I always say, it may become tiresome, but you have to be patient enough. You need to be patient because it might take a lot of time. Then una connect ungoje. So mine is now connected. Unaona connected. So HA tunnel ikisha connect, you add time. After connected, add time. So come here, click add time. So una watch video ina add force every time you watch. So wait for the video to load, and the video loading might take time depending on how fast your network is. As you can see, thanks for supporting us. Now, in order to tumeongezwa time, our time is now added. So you click again, add 4 hours. Like you watch more videos, the more time you'll get added with. Watch more videos as possible. Reward granted. So that's it, guys, and if this method is working for you or not working, as always, leave the comment behind or in the comment section below. So thanks for watching, and ensure before you connect you do every settings I've showed you. You be patient when searching an IP address or turning the airplane mode on and off, and that's it. Subscribe to our channel if you're new, like our videos, share our videos, and even turn on the notification bell so that we'll have the videos get notified to your phone or account or YouTube when we upload any. So in the next video you will get how to know how to hotspot the VPN connection or VPN connection to your other devices like laptops and other phone. So stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks for watching.